afternoon. Well, today we are going to do a super cute little craft. Something you are probably very familiar with if you go next door to Lake Lily are all the cute little squirrels. So we are going to celebrate squirrels this week at Storytime, and the craft that I have come up with is very cute. I'm quite proud of it. So what you're going to make, it's going to end up looking like this. It's a tree with some fall color leaves on the limbs, and inside that tree there's a cute little squirrel, probably stashing away some acorns for fall and winter. So what you're going to need to make this craft, you are going to need, of course, a paper towel roll. You'll need your crayons or colored pencils to color in your cute squirrel. You will need some little pieces of crepe paper that we're going to ball up and glue right onto the top of there. And of course, the guest of honor, your cute little squirrel. So what you want to do to start off with, take a crayon, any color, doesn't matter, and find a spot right kind of in the center of your paper towel roll and draw that circle that you're going to cut out. And you might need help from mom or dad to get you started on cutting that out. And then you're also going to cut some strips right along the top for your limbs of your tree. You want to make them fairly thick. You don't want them to be too thin, because if they get too skinny, they might tear off. Right. So what you're going to do, after you've cut those, just pull them down like this. There we go. And then you will take your little pieces of crepe paper and just ball them up, and using your glue stick, you'll just glue them right along there however you like. And then you'll cut out this circle, and once you have colored your cute little squirrel, you'll cut them out and put them inside the tree with the glue, of course, to stick them in there. So this is a really fun craft. The squirrels next door at Lake Lily are very inspirational. I have quite a lot of really cute pictures of them. So I hope you enjoyed this week's story time, and I hope you have a lot of fun making this cute little squirrel craft. We'll see you guys soon. Bye.